Hello and welcome to Everything in Particular, the video blog from Puraka Masks. So one of our more popular products is this soft silicone spacer, and this has gotten a lot of attention because it's so unique. A lot of the spacers that are on the market are these, they call them silicone, but they're just sort of a softer plastic. This one's a true silicone spacer. It's fantastic. It works really well. It has wings to keep it in place. But we're getting some questions about how do you put these on and how do you wear them? We have another video where I talk about the benefits of the spacer. So for this video, I want to talk to you about how to put it on. So we start with a mask. This was our mask of the month. Our first mask of the month a couple months ago. It's a buffalo plaid for winter. It's a beautiful mask. It fits really nicely. We use a flannel material for the outside because it's winter and it's a little colder outside. Most of the time that's fantastic, but when you're exercising or if you're walking hard or breathing hard, then you might appreciate keeping this away from your face a little bit. And that's what the purpose of the spacer is. So I'm going to take my mask catcher lanyard off first, because you have to take those off before you put the silicone spacer on. So now I've got my mask, I've got my filter pocket. I'm not going to put it into the filter pocket. What I'm going to do is I start with the top of the spacer, which is where this is for the nose. It's sort of the bridge that kind of helps to maintain that seal. And I'm just going to put it onto the mask like this. So this is the top of my mask. I know it because this is where the nose wire is. So I put the spacer right side up, and now you can see it sort of, it kind of folds into the mask. It's they're both concave or convex depending on the perspective. So now what I'm going to do is take the first strap and just pull it through the wings. And then so you can see what I'm doing, you'll see in a second. The wing, I slid it up onto the mask surface. It's a thin but really durable flat silicone strap. And now the side's correctly attached. So we're going to do the same thing over here. We take the ear strap, we slide it through, we pull the spacer down so it sits like that. And now you can see that both wings of the spacer are correctly on the mask. The nose piece is up. The metal wire for the mask is how you know it's in the right place. And then we put it on. So notice I didn't pull this up over my ears. You don't want to do that. It's not going to stretch that much. But you have, you maintain your seal because it's a flat, flexible silicone. And you can see it doesn't really, it doesn't interfere with the top. It doesn't interfere with the bottom. But that's how you wear it. So you take it off. At this point, if I wanted to, I could put my lanyard back on, which I normally do. And now I'm good to go. I can run, I could walk, I could ski, and I would breathe just fine. I would still have a nice seal for outdoor use. We don't recommend these for indoor use because, even though it doesn't break the seal necessarily, it may interfere with it, just a little bit. So if you're working on a job, like on a loading dock or something, or you just want to go outside and be able to breathe better, that's what these are for. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.